I'm so humbled to be there with you and to stand near my beloved friend Vakshu, whom I have come not only to respect, but to love. And I look out together with the Rabbanim to Rabbi Bracha, with James and Marty, to all of my brothers and sisters, with whom you've stood on many Sundays in front of the Soviet, the Russian residents, demanding that there be justice. And from my heart to each of your hearts, I again say what I said at the onset of the horrific invasion at a large rally of Washington, D.C. May omikli be the Hebrew word for the depths of my heart. I called out, I am Ukraine. In my office, there is the flag of Israel, my whole planet, and the flag of Ukraine. And even though in our long history, there have been many rabbis, many places of burning Ukraine. There have been moments of historical tension. And yet today, Arden Livy in Riverdale and Rabbi Stephen Sensius is at town, feels such a kinship with each and every one of me. I was so moved just listening to Father Kirill, the parishioners in your service. And in thinking about it, there's such a parallelism between Israel and Ukraine these days. Both of our countries were invaded. While Israel is the buffer, that's the spread of terrorism to the west. Ukraine is the buffer, protecting all of Europe from the dastards and the enemy, but the Russians led by their leader, whose name I do not even want to say, in this open place. And when I think about soldiers that fear their lives, I think the mercenaries, men and women who went out with such courage. See, as Dr. Mark he once said, if there's nothing in this world that you're ready to die, you're not weak. And so many of your brothers and sisters, of our brothers and sisters, have given of their lives the ultimate price. And so to Dambaye, together with Father Kiro, and with you, I ask you to rise at the moment on all of this grip, this blessing. May Ukraine be victorious, not tomorrow, today. Enough is enough. Victory today. May all Ukrainian soldiers come home in peace, whole in body and whole in soul. May all the wounded, only wounded, some so critically, some losing limbs, where they yield, where they had the yield of by and universal, and may all the bereaved, may they be comforted. Somehow, may they be comforted. And so I join with you in a song we often sang at the residence for the spirit of Slava Ukraine. Try Slavs. Go. Oh. World is the depthy
narrow bridge, a very narrow bridge, a very narrow bridge. The world is a very narrow